So a tip for cleaning vehicle glass when it's extremely hot. So normally what happens is, this is a Orglim fast glass. When the glass is really hot, you spray it on and it just evaporates pretty much straight away. So what I do is I get a brand new or nearly brand new microfiber. So it has to be a really good microfiber. Spray it on, then wipe the glass, then I flip the microfiber around and then wipe it again. So I'll do this on the inside and the outside, and then what I'll do is I'll go outside, inside, look at different angles to make sure it's not smeary, and if it is smeary, I'll simply flip the microfiber like that to a new fresh part, and then repeat the process, spray the cleaner on, and then again on the glass, give it a wipe, flip it over, and then wipe it again. And that is what I've found that works quite well if you're trying to clean quite dirty glass in extreme heat. Because I say, as soon as you spray this on hot glass, it will just evaporate, and then what happens then is you just end up sort of pushing the dirt around and make it super smeary. So that's my tip for cleaning dirty glass on vehicles when it's extremely hot. If you can't sort of wait until it cools down. There we go. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Please do consider subscribing to the channel. It'd help a load. I hope you all have a good day.